In this video, we are going to introduce a new surveillance system for home use, and you will see how easy it is to set it up and start using it. Let's see what we need to have the system running. We will need a wireless router. You will need to have a desktop or laptop computer. We will also need to have SD memory card, and of course GVision HCW IP camera. And in case your wireless router doesn't have WPS function, you will also need a LAN cable for initial setup. Now we have our GVision HCW camera here, and how do we begin our setup? First we need to insert microSD memory card. Here on the side of the camera there is microSD card slot. We insert the card, and this card is where your video and audio information is going to be stored and recorded. Well, next we need to power up the camera. We take the power cable and connect the cable to the camera. You will have a red light on the other side of the camera here. Need to wait until this light turns green to continue with the setup. Okay, now this light turned green, and on the front panel we also have a red light. This red light indicates that the camera is monitoring. If this light starts blinking, then it means that the camera is recording. The next step would be to connect your camera onto the network so that you can view images from the camera on your computer or mobile devices. If your wireless router supports WPS function, on the back of the camera, press WPS button and you will see blue light blinking on the side of the camera. After that, within 2 minutes, you need to press WPS button on the router and you will have the blue light stop blinking, which means that the camera and the router, they have established the connection and your camera is on the network now. Once your router and GVision HCW camera are connected, you can now go to your computer and start myGVcam Setup Wizard. You can download the Setup Wizard from myGVcam website. Click on the wizard and the program will automatically scan for any available GVision HCW cameras in your network. Unless you need to reconfigure your network, click Yes here. Then type your username and password for the camera. Choose Yes to access your camera from anywhere on the internet. If you don't have myGVcam account yet, it will have to be created. Then type information for your myGVcam account, including your email address and password. After you see successful activation pop-up message, you can now check your email to activate your account. Click on the link provided in your email, and after you see this message, you can start using myGVcam account. Type in login information you just created. And now you can see the video from GVision HCW camera. Now, anytime you want to access your camera, simply go to myGVcam website. As simple as that. All you need to have is an internet access. myGVcam home surveillance system does not require help of a professional to install it. By following steps in this tutorial, even an inexperienced user can set up his or her own home surveillance system and provide extra security during day or night time.